friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about the quality index journal Q3 and Q4 and Q2 category journal and best quality journal. So first category of the journal is Springer. Journal title name is Journal of Industrial Microbiology and Biotechnology. So its name indicating in this journal related to the biotechnology and microbiology. And what about the aim and scope? So here you can see the topics covered by this journal is related to the microbiology, biotechnology, and there are the so many. So explore this section very carefully. Here you will get about the topics. So this is a really very good journal and Springer, published by the Springer, and just click on the journal home, so it will be redirected to the home page of the journal. So here you will find the about the publication timing, impact factor, and all the things. So as you can see here, this journal really rapid publication. Within 31 days you will get the first decision, and within 108 days your research paper will get accepted or published. Impact factor 2.8 and 5-year impact factor 3.06. So really very good indexing and good impact factor and site score. And this journal published in both categories. First one is the print version and second one is the electronic version. So this is a really good option to us. And about the indexing, you can see here this is really very rich indexing. This journal having the rich indexing. So for example, you can see here this journal related to the UGC listed journal, SCI index journal, Scopus category journal, and many more indexing. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this particular field. And for more information, you can see here how we will submit our research paper. Just click on the menu button. So here authors and editors, my account. So first of all you need to create your account. आपको सबसे पहले अपना account create करना पड़ेगा, then you can submit your research paper. So this is a really golden opportunity to publish in this quickly publication journal, Springer category journal. Second category of the Taylor and Francis online. This is also the rapid publication, and journal title name is the Journal of Agriculture and Food Information. So this journal published in 4 issues per year, you can see here, and also published online here. So print version and online, both categories in this journal published. And what about the category of the indexing and abstracting? So you can see here this is journal also comes under the very good indexing. So you can see here the journal comes under the category of the SCI category, Scopus category, all the things are mentioned. So read out this section very carefully. And what types of the topics and titles covered by the journal? So you can see here in the left hand side panel, aim and scope. So here you will get the detail about the topics and title. So you can see here the journal is especially related and dedicated to agriculture and food information. If your research area comes under this particular topics and title, you can submit your research paper to the publication. And many more information also given here. So instruction for author, how we will prepare our research paper, कैसे हम अपना research paper prepare करेंगे according to the general guidelines. So follow all the guidelines to publish your research paper. Next category of the journal is the Journal of Payments Strategy and Systems. So this journal published by the Henry Stewart Publications. So really very good, and you can see here all the detailed information is given here. So read out this section very carefully, and here you will get the all the options. So like this here, all the call for article, call for papers, all so many things are given here. So explore each and every corner of this journal. सारे options को आप बहुत अच्छे से explore किए, definitely you will get the information about the this journal. And what types of the topics and title covered by the journal? So you can see here these types of the category of the research article can publish in this particular paper journal. And if you want to explore the published article, so table of contents, so this section will provide all the detailed information about this particular section. So explore all the things, and here all the information is given here about the term and conditions and about the guidelines. So many things are available, and here you can see the ISSN number of this particular journal. So explore this journal very carefully. So before submission your research paper in any journal, explore at your level also. And if you are looking for any type of the journal, appropriate journal to publish your research paper, so we are here to provide the journal. So just ping me through the WhatsApp. You can see the WhatsApp number on the screen, and also you can join us our WhatsApp group. So you can see the WhatsApp link in the description. See the description. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe कर लीजिए, so you will get the notification on daily basis 8 AM morning. Thank you friends.